Greetings from Dr. Kyamala. Welcome back to the next lesson, Life Cycle of Mushroom. Mushroom have a unique life cycle. It depends on the size of mushroom and the environments where it is growing. The mushroom life cycle is mesmerizing. The small mushroom can take at least 1 day for their maturation. Regarding large and medium size of mushroom can take 4 to 5 days for their maturation. Mushrooms can produce and release millions of spores or trillions of spores from their gill spot. These dropping of spores act as a parent mushroom. It can able to produce the next generation of the baby mushroom. When the two sexually compatible mycelia meet, fuse and form the secondary mycelium after having colonized on the substrate, so it can able to form the fruiting body of mushroom. Different stages of growing of mushroom. A single spore have to cross these 8 stages to form a matured mushroom. First one, inoculation, spore germination, mycelial expansion, hyphal knot, primordium formation, fruit body selection, mature fruit body and spore release. The first stage of life cycle started with the inoculation of spores. Spores are light upon a growth medium like substrate. If conditions are favorable, the spores will start to germinate. Each spore acts as a single cell. The cell is either male or female spore. The male spore produce male hyphae. The female spore produce female hyphae. When they meet each other and fuse and interconnect each other to form a fertile mycelium. The next stage, mycelial expansion. That means a single hyphae can capable to produce a mass of hyphae. It is called mycelium. The mycelium is like a web-like structure that rooted to the ground and branches out. It is a developing mycelium can helps to break down the organic matter and absorb the nutrients from its surrounding, and it provide the nutrients to start producing a new mushroom. In this sense, the mycelia is act as the immune system of the mushroom. And next stage, hyphal knot. This is hyphal knot. The mycelia condense and form a hyphal knot. It is like a pinhead with a small body of mushroom. It is otherwise called baby mushroom or primordial formation. This time it is visible to our naked eyes. This is called baby mushroom. The next stage, fruit body selection. Not all the baby mushroom can grow as a matured form. Some baby mushrooms can stop their growth. From thousands of primordia or baby mushroom, the growing organism can select the most promising few to develop into a mature fruit body of mushroom. The next stage, mature fruit body development. The successful mature mushroom can produce millions and trillions of spores in their gills. Spore generation in the sexual reproduction phase of the mushroom life cycle. And the final stage, spore release from the matured mushroom. The fruit body of mature mushroom can release maximum number of spores to the environment for propagation. These spores that can come out from the gills part and the land on a favorable substrate, that is growth medium, and it can start germinate. The mushroom can start the new life cycle from a single spore. This is the overall life cycle of mushroom. It is a matured mushroom. It has gills. The gills carry the maximum number of spores. When the mushroom gets mature, it can release the spores. The spores either male or female spores. The male spore can mature as a form of male hyphae and the female spore can develop as a form of female hyphae. The male and female hyphae fuse together and form a mycelium. The mycelial expansion and go to the hyphal knot formation and go for primordial formation, finally fruit body selection, and the immature form of mushroom can develop as a matured fruit body. Then again the fruit body can produce maximum spores and start the new next life cycle. The mycelium after colonized on the substrate, it is capable to producing fruiting bodies of mushrooms. The numbers and quality of the fruiting body will depend on the environment. The key factors to induce floating bodies are changing temperature, high humidity, deficiency of a nutrient, carbon dioxide concentration in the air, light and nitrogen carbon sources. Thank you. See you on next video.